Welcome to Skylab Studio. This is a step-by-step walkthrough of how to use Skylab Studio desktop app. The first thing you need to do is download and install the Skylab Studio desktop app to your computer. Don't worry, it's super easy. Just head over to skylabtech.ai and choose the version that's compatible with your operating system, and then follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. Now let's walk through the user-friendly interface of Skylab Studio. On the right corner of the screen, you can click on your name to view your account settings, billing information, notification settings, and to log out. On the left side, you'll find the menu, starting with the dashboard where you can see your current jobs, jobs completed, pending jobs, and account balance. Next, the Jobs tab. This is where you'll go to start a new job, folder upload, file upload, and CVS file upload. You can watch our other tutorials to learn how to use each of these features. The Hot Folders tab is ideal for large volume jobs. You can watch our hot folder tutorial on how to use this feature. Search is here for you to look up past jobs and photos. The Reports tab is here if you ever need to see your usage over a period of time. The Profiles tab is where you can create a new profile preset for your jobs or edit one that you've previously created. Watch the profile tutorial to learn more about this feature. The Training tab is for uploading training data to create a custom color model. Please reach out to our team to see if this is the right fit for you. Finally, you can edit your account settings just like we did at the start of this tutorial down here. Happy editing!